My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to print a specified size in Photoshop. So I've got my image here that I want to print, and the first thing I want to make sure is that your image is high resolution, just because if you're printing it, you want to make sure that it comes out nice, like a photo. And if you have a low resolution image, it's not going to come out well when you print it. So I have my image here, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to File, New, and I'm going to select a preset based on the paper that I'm printing on. So if you're using a basic white sheet of paper, select US paper. And what you're going to want to do is if you don't have the average US paper size, which is 8.5 by 11, just measure your paper and figure out, okay, so if you have like a tabloid, for example, that's usually about 11.5 or 11 by 14. So you're just going to want to make sure you have your paper size at the size of the paper, like the actual paper. So you're printing true to size. So I'm just going to stick with 8.5 by 11. And this is my paper here. So I'm going to select my photo, copy it. I'm going to paste it. And as you can see, this is pretty big. So this is all depending on how big you want your paper. So if I were you, I would have just like a piece of paper right next to me to scale it and to say, okay, this is how big it's going to be. So then that's when you figure, okay, I'm going to try and size it down to the size I want. And what's really going to help you is if you go to View and you say Show Extras, and as you can see, I already have it here. And this is telling me how many inches my paper is. My name is Alex, and this is how you print a specific size in Photoshop. Thank you.